beach and it's bringing me out the dark.
Good morning, Hoover Math and Science Academy students and staff. Hi, this is Rudra coming to you live from the WHVR studio. Today is Wednesday, November 6, 2019. The weather today in Schaumburg will be 37 degrees with cloudy skies. Now please stand and join us in saying our nation's pledge.
I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
In sports, the Blackhawks lost last night against the Sharks with a score of 2-4. The Bulls lost to the Lakers last night with a score of 112-118. There are no announcements for today. Clubs meeting tomorrow morning are: Puzzle Club will meet at 8 a.m. in room 101. That's all for today. Have a heart eye emoji Wednesday.